Hey guys, welcome back. Taylor here, National Sales Director for Devices at ChromebookParts.com. Today we're going to be opening a TWT Audio TW50 headphone. Looks like it comes in a reusable Ziploc bag. Braided cable, 3.5 jack. Again, that jack is reinforced steel solid pin jack. This is a basic on-ear headset. Good amount of adjustability. The adjustment steps are a little bit loose at times, so you may have some adjustment stop issues with maybe them getting out of exactly where you wanted them to be. These are their entry-level line in the TW50s. They also do come in a headset, the TW55, which has a boom mic on it. Durability-wise, they almost don't feel real. I mean, you can spin them in knots and they'll come back to shape for you. Braided cables are very well made to make them chew resistant, abrasion resistant, able to be knotted. You're not going to have kinks like you do because they just pull right back out if they do get knotted tight. Flat ear cups, so they won't be as good for long-term wear. You know, you'd probably get some ear fatigue off of these after wearing them for quite a while. So that's it for the TWT, TW50. As well as the TW55, which would have the mic, same basic construction, same headphone or headset. We'll see you on the next one.